Yeah, let us see what was the question given here. Y is equals to secant x plus tan x minus 1 by minus secant x plus tan x plus 1. They are asking us to find dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4, right? So first of all, let me write it down. What is y? Y is nothing but secant x plus tan x minus 1 by, this will be minus secant x plus tan x plus 1. Okay. So what you will do, ma'am, this is in the form of u by v. We will apply u by v rule. You will be telling, right? What I will suggest you is, don't do like that. If you do like that, it will be little bit, not little bit, much lengthier. You won't get an answer easily, but you don't have a time in the exams, right? So I will suggest you this problem. You have to solve this for further. You have to simplify. How to simplify? If I take, this is secant x plus, this will be what? This is tan x minus, what is our one? See, if you remember, in trigonometry we have a three identities. What is that? One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So second one I'll be using here. That is what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Is it okay? If you look into the question here, everything is in the form of secant and tan. So same, I'll be applying this formula in place of a 1. Is it okay? So what I will do, I'll take secant square of x minus tan square of x. Is it okay? By denominator will be minus secant x plus tan x plus 1. Is it okay? Any doubts up to here? Yes. So let us continue. If you look into this clearly, what I will be getting? Y is equals to, we know that one formula. What is that? One more, a square minus b square. This is simply nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? So same formula I'll apply here. I'll tell you where. This is secant x plus tan x. Now in this case I'll be applying the formula. Which one? A square minus b square. So the formula will be what? This is a minus b, okay, into, this is a plus b. Is it okay? Yes. So by, what is the denominator here? Denominator will be, this is minus secant x plus, this is tan x plus 1. Are you getting my point here? If you look into this figure, see, remember, don't get confused between the terms. So this one I can take it as a what? First term, okay? This whole thing which is in multiplication, this is nothing but the second term. So what I will do is, from the first term and second term, secant x plus tan x is common. So I'll be take it out. So if I take secant x plus tan x outside, check properly, what is left over in the first term? Nothing. So it will be 1 minus. What is left over in the second term here? That is nothing but secant x minus tan x is left over. Is it okay? And nothing is I have disturbed in the denominator. Try to take as it is. This is minus secant x plus tan x plus 1. Is it okay? Come on, from this what I can say, y is equals to, we have taken common, simply take it out outside as it is. If you check into the numerator, minus is there, we need to multiply minus inside, which will be 1 minus, this is secant x, minus of minus, it will be plus, this will be tan x. Is it okay? By denominator will be what? Actually I can rewrite. See, if I asked you, we know that 2 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 2. Yes or no? So simply this also I'll write 1 first, I'll write a secant term later, I'll write tan term later. I'm just rearranging the terms. I'm not at all changing anything. You can check the denominator, right? Why? Why? Because if you check into this here, this term, this is in what? See, if you have a into b by b, then we have a right to cancel. But if you have a plus b by b, this you don't have a right to cancel. Is it okay? Because this is in multiplication, we can do it. So this two are in multiplication, so simply I can cancel. So what I will be getting here? Y is equals to secant x plus tan x, right? So what is our y? They are asking us about y. I have simplified y for further. So now what should we do? They are asking dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4. So now simply apply. What is dy by dx? Differentiate this function. We know that secant x derivative will be what? Secant x tan x, right? Plus, what is tan x derivative? That is secant square of x. So what should we do? We need to find dy by dx at the point x is equals to pi by 4 here. Is it okay? So now what I will do, let us substitute here. So this is nothing but, let me write it down, secant pi by 4 into, this will be tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 plus, this will be what? Secant square pi by 4. Agree? So if you feel like, ma'am, secant pi by 4 we are not remembering, means what I'll suggest you, secant is nothing but what? Reciprocal of a cos. Okay, what is cos pi by 4? We know that cos pi by 4 will be 1 by root 2. If you take a reciprocal, we can say that secant pi by 4 will be what? Simply root 2 alone. We already know tan pi by 4 is 1. So secant pi by 4 will be what? I'll be applying root 2 here, and pi by 4 is 1 plus secant pi by 4 is root 2 the whole square. Is it okay? Any doubts up to here? Yeah. So this is nothing but root 2. Root 2 whole square will be what? 2 alone. We can have root in the numerator but not in the denominator. Actually, this is our final answer. This is nothing but dy by dx at x is equals to pi by 4. Is it okay? Yes, this is the answer. If you have any doubts in this problem, you just let me know. Okay. Thank you.